Trying to get on my grind, man. Y'all know how it is, man. Yo, check. Yo, Mitch the prime factor. Thoughts rush like a linebacker. You a rhyme actor. I'm a very skilled rhyme crafter. Punch your face, jaw dropping, back breaking, spine cracker. Type to rap it on a song, then do the crime after. Slugs fly out, your fame die out. I ride out with this blade. I cut you like a coach in a tryout. Drama when the nine's out. You talking? Let me find out. Help you cry out. Out of 16, I shot 9 out. Blow your mind out. You feel the way I bring the rhyme out. In jail, niggas want Diddy in and shine out. Get high religiously. I bring the dime sack out. Roll a L, light a white out so I can black out. Can't strike out. Go in your heart, take your pride out. No sympathy. Go to your wedding, knock you and your bride out. You either clapped or get clapped out. Gotta strategize. It's for the plan. Trust me, I got it mapped out. Y'all niggas don't even know, B. Fuck is wrong with y'all niggas, man? Mitch Littles from Broadway. Gotta hit y'all with another dose yet. I ain't finished. Check. Yo, they say I'm strange, deranged. I got a rare mind. Spit crazy, flow sharp like Steve Harvey's hairline. I'm Broadway's own, the hip-hop kid. Here to bring it to the concrete like Big Pop did. Heads know about that young little nigga that always rap alone. Don't need a crew, hype man, or a chaperone. The gat is shown. You biting a Kappa clone. This cat is known to blast your home. Frontin' niggas never clap the chrome. Nice with the microphone. You better leave this cat alone. I'm from the lyrical underground's catacomb. So fuck a 4.6 range. I ride the 6 train. Still got 6 flames. Ain't shit changed. Looking for chicks that suck and could swallow. You know me, fuck 'em and leave 'em shit. That's the hood motto. My brain on high speed, full throttle. I'm drunk off a full bottle. And if you want beef, I got a good hollow. Holla at me, nigga. One love.